Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a nursery room tour. So let's begin. Okay, so when you first walk in, you see a rocking chair. There's a light above, which helps if I need extra light in here. And I got him this piece of artwork at Winners. Right there, You Are My Sunshine. It actually is a distressed art piece. Behind me here by the door is this basket. This close to be folded. And above the basket is an art piece. It comes in a set of 3 pieces, so I'll show you the other ones as we go ahead. This lamp is from Babies R Us. His camera's on there to be mounted. And the dresser is from IKEA. The change pad is also from Babies R Us, which is used from my first son. There's a wipes warmer, which helps, I guess, cold nights. Since it's Canada, it gets really cold. So it pretty much, I turn it on. Right now it's off. There's a little light that indicates that it's on. And this mirror, we purchased a blank, just a piece of mirror from Home Depot. And my husband did the border around it. So pretty much like getting the pieces of a border at, I believe it was Rona, but yeah, that's it. And this bookshelf is from, I guess, inspired by Pinterest. So I found it on Pinterest, and my husband actually made it. I believe he didn't really necessarily did the same like shelving. I think this one is a little bit different, but it's the same idea. So he did it Dr. Seuss bookshelf, and the books are donated from my first son, most of them. Some of them are new, some of them he donated to his brother, because this is his brother's room. And the Diaper Genie was actually one on Instagram from Toronto Shay. I believe her handle is Toronto Shay. There was a contest and I entered it and I won it. Thank you, Shay. So then the stool is actually from my first son. I got it as a gift from my work when I had his baby shower. Such a cute, what is it, sailor, I guess. And this flower, I'm not really sure where it's from. It was just a piece of decoration in my house. However, I felt like it fits in here perfectly. That elephant art piece is the second piece of the art piece that I first showed you at the beginning. It comes in a set of 3. I might as well just show you the other one right now. This third piece is the giraffe. So it's a set of 3, which I purchased actually from another mom on Facebook because I was trying to find something to tie in with the theme that I'm going with. So I found it and voila. The curtain rod is from Walmart. I try to have the same curtain rod for my other son as well. I don't know if you can't see it too well. It's a little bit dark. And the curtains are from Winners. Yeah, I like the pattern, but they're from Winners. You'll see actually oil heater here because in winter time it gets really cold, and because his room is over the garage, we kind of keep it over the furnace just to add extra heat. And this thermostat is from Amazon. We purchased it just to control the heat in here, to make sure it wasn't like too hot and too cold. At least pretty much we have the same one in my other son's room as well. it just helps with the temperature and keep it balanced. That's the windows right there. So he's got 2 big windows, and he gets good light, but right now the sky is a little bit dark, so there's not much light coming in. And here's his Raptors hat. Way to go, Raptors. Championship. You know, the champions. And this, oh, actually, the thermostat actually comes with this. So it is the piece that, I guess, checks the temperature in the room and tell you if it's too hot or too cold. My orchid is growing because I received it from a girlfriend, a BFF, and it was actually downstairs in the kitchen, and I guess there was not much light, so it died. And now I put it in this window, and it's getting more light, so it's coming back. This little truck is from an auntie. And there's 2 pieces of stuffies from another family friend. I bought him this chew toy because, I don't know, I liked it instead of him holding onto my necklace. I remember Lucas, our first son, I couldn't wear any necklaces because he was always popping them, like completely dragging me so hard. And I have his little body wash and lotion. And this dresser is actually the second piece from the first one. And it's actually from IKEA. And above you have his name. I got the wood pieces from Michael's. And the train artwork is from Amazon. Train artwork is from Amazon. This little mobile is from Babies R Us, from her first son, which is it goes with our animal theme. And so there's the blanket. He's got a few stuffies from Grandma and Grandpa. And actually, he got this one from the hospital because he was in the NICU and it was Easter. So they all gave, I guess, all the babies a stuffy. So actually, what does it say? Casman Foundation. And there's a little message at the back, but it says thank you. And he's just got a few clothes I gotta put in the closet. I washed them, and now they gotta be mounted. Hang up in the closet. The crib is actually from our first son, which was donated to us from a family, an auntie and uncle. So it's used for our second son as well. And last but not least is the carpet. I felt like this fit the gray walls a bit better. So now the gray walls, the gray and white and black carpet, and this little chair is just a little baby chair. I believe it was from probably Walmart. But yeah, that's the room. And then bring you back to the door. That's his closet, but nothing is organized right now because he's not really in here yet. So once it's organized, then I'll, I guess I can give you guys a tour of the organization. But nothing's organized yet, so I don't really want to go in there. These drawers, actually, my husband built a compartment, which I believe, I guess this one doesn't slide. There's a two-part compartment, which I put bibs and these little stuffy things. Over here he's got socks and hat, and I just threw them in there because he's not really in here yet, so it doesn't matter. Over here I have diapers, wipes, some little trinkets, like his nail clippers over there, pacifier, brushes, diaper cream. But nothing, I still have to organize the stuff in here to move stuff from the closet. So right now, this is what his room looks like. And once he gets in here, we'll move around what needs to be moved. But that's it. That's it, guys. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.